Wintech is one of the leading agencies in Europe for testing building structures. Over the past 20 years, they've worked on some of the most prestigious structures built in the UK. Their tests have been specially devised to show how well buildings stand up to the most extreme forces of nature.
We decided to take other manufacturers' products along that are available on the market to see how our roof stood up in comparison. We gave the roofs to Wintech, who got independent trade experts to install the roofs. The wind speeds we used for the test are actually set down by BS 6399. The instances of high wind are actually quite common, and in these uncertain times of climate change, the feeling is that these events are going to become more common rather than less common. The tests carried out by Wintech were designed to replicate in a controlled and measured way the wind forces you'd expect to see in the environment. To replicate the wind, we used internal pressure generated by a fan, and externally we used an aero engine. The most surprising aspect of these tests was how low the wind speed was when these alternatives failed. From wind speeds so low they don't even register on BS 6399. Other roofs fared slightly better, although they still failed at relatively low wind speeds. And as you can see, they still failed in a very dramatic manner. Our roof was tested in exactly the same way as the other roofs, both with internal pressure and also with an aero engine pumping wind at over 90 miles an hour. The combined effect was over 130 miles per hour, which is more than a hurricane force wind. And as you can see, our roof stood up really well to these tests. If I was buying a conservatory, these tests have more than demonstrated to me how important it is to make sure that you choose the right make of conservatory to guarantee your future investment.
It's no surprise that the Ultraframe roof should pass these tough tests. They were the first European system to have passed the USA's BOCA regime, the toughest testing and building standards in the world. But peace of mind isn't just about the design and specification of your conservatory. Once ordered, your conservatory roof passes directly into one of a small number of approved manufacturing facilities. Here, each piece is precisely cut to the correct specification. Ultraframe roofs are custom built, packaged and dispatched to ensure that they can be assembled with the minimum fuss at your home. Ultraframe provides comprehensive support and training to installers throughout the UK. And Ultraframe roofs naturally comply with all relevant performance standards and regulations. Ultraframe roofs come with a maintenance manual and even a certificate of authenticity, so you can be sure your conservatory has been installed with a genuine article. You'll only fit one conservatory to your house, so it pays to fit the best. If you want 25 years of experience on over 1 million conservatories, covering all styles and sizes in even the most extreme of locations, and you want to bring together innovative design and the highest quality manufacturing, then for the ultimate peace of mind, insist on Ultraframe.